everybody! I recently bought this wood stamp from a company that was advertising it on Facebook. And I bought one, and it ended up catching fire. And I needed to use a fire extinguisher to put out the small flame. I then emailed the company, who then sent me a new one, after I told them what had happened. And then they said it was maybe packaged poorly or damaged under the transport/delivery. And now we got the new one. Now we will open it and see if the product was damaged under the delivery or it's the product itself. They said they packaged it very carefully and it's sealed. I haven't opened it before. And it's straight from my mailbox. And we have our fire extinguisher there, just in case stuff goes wrong.
So, now we're gonna open it. As we see, it's a bubble envelope inside to keep it from the hits and this thing. And there we go. See, over here we have the other tape, and it's sealed inside also with bubbles to make it sure that it will not get damages. And open it from here and open it from there. Okay, and there is more envelope of bubbles inside. It is sealed inside. That's perfect. That's good. And as I can see that it's finished, so we still. So this is the stample that we have to put it inside. We just need to screw it in as they show in their products, and we're gonna open the cable. This is the old one, the one with the fire, and this is the new one that's brand new. So we have this one is not so much safety, so I brought my own safety thing, and it's a piece of block of cement to put it on it, so that if it caught fire again, it will not spray on the table. So we're gonna move everything that can catch fire away from us, and this is the old one. We're gonna put it away, and now this is the adapter and the connection, so we're gonna connect it. And it says that in the manual, it says that when you put it on, it will get some smoke in the beginning for a few minutes, and then everything will go okay. The last time when I put it on, it caught fire after less than 1 minute. It was a little bit smoke coming out from this side, and then it caught fire, and it put off the lights in the workshop. So I'm gonna add put some extra lights in case of it shut down the lights in the workshop. We will have a blackout, so I have added a light just in case. So everybody, now we're gonna put it on. All we need to do is press on this switch, and we're gonna start the test now. We will get a piece of wood, to scrap wood to show you the sample, how it will look. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Look at the product. In the beginning, we're gonna see some smoke coming out from outside from here when it gets hot. So there's like some boiling sound now, and then the smoke start coming out. And there's like something is cooking inside. You see the smoke?
Yeah.
Now it starts smoking. You can't see the smoke with the light that I added there. So technically the last time in this few seconds here, the fire start over here, and then it moved out there and here. So I needed to shut down everything immediately. Okay. We went through the first 30 seconds, I think, and that was more time than the last time. So we are still waiting for the fire. It smells fire everywhere, and it smells smoke now. There's too much smoke in the workshop, but we are going to wait and see what will happen. So it says that in the manual, when I get it, it says in the manual that you will get some smoke for the first couple of times when you use it. It will smoke all around and sometimes, and then the smoke will stop because it's a brand new product. So we're gonna see, will it stop or catch fire? Until now we are okay. Last time in this few seconds now, the fire start everywhere. And the last time in this few seconds now, the fire will start from here. And see?
Whoa!
We had something. Okay, we're gonna see if it keep going. So I'm just gonna check if the electric switch is still on. No. There is no electricity as I can see in.
Seriously?
Let me see.
Look, this one is not flashing anymore.
Yep. There's a electric shock have happened inside there, and it put off the safety switch of the electricity. Now I'm gonna put it off and disconnect it, and I'm gonna go put on the main switch. I need the key.
So it looks like it blew up and the electricity stopped working from the wires, which is pretty stupid in my opinion. It's not really that nice. As soon as it came out the package, and it started smoking more even after it started off.
Yes, the main switch of the electricity went off because of something wrong, so we're gonna go again. That's reconnected again, and we're gonna put it on again. Let's see.
Did you have to go and turn it on again?
Yes.
Because it literally turned it off?
Yeah, it turned off the main switch. That's why I'm using this connection, because it's
Only for your
only
workshop.
for my workshop.
Yeah, so it doesn't affect your
So it doesn't
household.
affect the rest of the house. So now again we're gonna wait and see. Is it on? Do you think that it's...
I think
Or
it's
maybe-
short-circuited.
Yeah, it may be short-circuited or something. I think it's dead. Now it starts smoking again. Yes, it has started smoking again. That means it's on. It's dead. It's not working. It's completely dead. See? Okay.
I mean, that's one hell of a stamp for a
That's
very...
the stamp that I order. But of course it's not heating perfectly. So we need to wait and see. Will it start heating again or not? It cost, this one cost $100. It cost $100. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. It's 300 watt. It's written on the old one, as you can see. It's 110 volt and 300 watt. And I have an adapter for it to make it go on 110. So
Still blew up.
$100
$100 for one stamp, huh?
That's $100 for one stamp. Let's see if it is heating. Yep, that's all. It's not heating anymore.
It's cooling.
It's cooling down.
I mean, there's more outline on the downside, but there's less above. Maybe hold it for a good 10 seconds. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Three stamps equaled. You need to hold it for 10 seconds. Usually competitors, 5 seconds maybe.
A couple of seconds is enough.
10 seconds for a stamp. Plus, it blew up and short-circuited his workshop. So, what rating would you give it?
0. And this is the name of the company. I don't think that even they have a name. They send you a thank you paper that you have chosen them. And this is the information that comes with it. How to use it. Yep.
They tell you, thank you very much. Customer satisfaction is our ultimate goal. And they have their email that says contact us via anything. I think you should ask for your money back. Is it heating?
No.
It's cooling. Well, guys, there you have it. I guess don't buy it.
It's dead again. So now I have 2 products dead.
And no money. Ta-da. Really bad.
See, it's losing heat.
Pick it up and show it to the camera.
It's less darker. So this thing is not working anymore. It's finished. It's dead.
See the difference between this one, which was 10 seconds, this one, which was a little bit less, 2 less, and look at this one now. Barely any press left, and no color. Have to take it so close to the camera for you guys to see it. In light, barely even shows.
Okay. Don't buy anything made in China.
Or especially if it's from duckbee.com. This was a huge waste of money, and I would honestly rather say you're better off buying it from your nearest convenience store.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Leave a comment below if you know a company that do these things better than what I have. It will be very much help.
You could send this video to the company,
I'm
and
gonna send it to the company, of course.
and then they're probably gonna block you and never give you your money back.
I'm gonna share it on Facebook, on YouTube, and TikTok, and then I'm gonna send it to them to watch it.
Make sure to tell them to subscribe to your channel, like and share it to all of their friends.